Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the IW4x Fatal Error 0xC0000005 that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this might typically occur when you're attempting to play Modern Warfare on your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to start by opening up a web browser. Type in DirectX Runtime Web Installer into Google. So again, DirectX Runtime Web Installer, and go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a Microsoft domain to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to go ahead and select the setup file once it's done downloading. And if you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select the yes. Close out of the web browser this time. And you want to accept the agreement and then select next. I'm going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar, and then I'm going to select next again. And select next. Okay, so once that's done, select finish. You can also attempt to reinstall the Steam game as well. It's something else you could take a look into. And hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.